In this video, we are going to be finding dy dx of cos inverse of x. Say you are given y to be equal to cos inverse of x. This means cos y is equal to x, and let's call this equation 1. Then let's differentiate equation 1 implicitly. We are going to have minus sine y dy over dx equal to 1. Please watch my video on implicit derivative to understand this more clearly. So this means dy dx will be equal to minus 1 all over sine y, and let's call this equation 2. Now from our trigonometry identity, we have sine square y plus cos square y to be equal to 1. And here, if we make sine y the subject of the formula, sine square y will be equal to 1 minus cos square y, and then sine y will be equal to square root of 1 minus cos square y. So from equation 1 we have, from 1 we have cos y to be equal to x. That means cos square y will be equal to x squared, and let's call this equation 3. Now substituting equation 3 into here, we are going to have sine y to be equal to square root of 1 minus x squared. Sine y to be equal to square root of 1 minus x squared, and let's call this equation 4. And also we are going to substitute equation 4 into equation 2. We put 4 in 2, then that means dy dx will be equal to minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Then to round this up, that means our dy dx will be equal to minus 1 all over square root of 1 minus x squared. Thank you for watching to the end. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a video. Thank you.